Hey guys, just a super quick message to say I'm very sorry I have been quiet on YouTube recently. I have attended the English Hair and Beauty Awards a week ago and life has been a little bit of a roller coaster since. Obviously I was up for Nail Technician of the Year. I did win this previously and never expected to get it this year. So obviously I went just basically to support the other entrants. I thought I'd been nominated, so I will go, because obviously it's the right thing to do. And then to my surprise, I actually won Nail Technician of the Year 2018. So here is some super shaky phone videos of me obviously collecting my award, doing my speech, etc. They are muted because all you can hear is my partner and my friends whooping and screaming. So I would just like to say, obviously, sorry I've been quiet, but life's been so busy. Obviously since winning. I'd also like to say a massive thank you to you guys for nominating me, for making me go for the award again. I genuinely never thought I'd win it 1 year, let alone 2. I have no words. I'm just absolutely ecstatic. Thank you again, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And just to show it's not all glamorous, here's me at 1 AM enjoying a McDonald's, a little bit tipsy after the awards. So yeah, like I said, I have got a couple of videos ready to upload. They're absolute corkers and they will be up in the next few days. So please stay tuned, keep an eye on my channel, and thank you!